Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to your Thursday maths lesson. I'm going to share my screen and let's get started. First of all, as always, let's start off with our fast five. Pause your screen and see how many of these you can do in the next 5 minutes. Off you go. Okay, well done. Let's go through the answers and see how many you got right. 4 add 4 is 8. 11 take away 5 is 6. 81 add 13 is 94. 44 add 34 is 78. 92 take away 11 is 81. 66 add 16 is, add the 10 is 76, and then add the 6 is 82. 73 take away 35, we're going to go back in tens. 63, 53, 43 to take away the 30, and then take away the 5 is 38. 68 add 19, we're going to add the 10, 78, and then add the 9, we get 87. 3 times 7 is 21, 2 times 10 is 20, 9 times 4 is 36, and 11 times 3 is 33. Well done if you got them all right. Now let's move on to today's learning. We're going to be using pictures to multiply today, and here are our steps to success. We are going to look at a picture, see how many groups are there, how many are in each group, write down our multiplying sentence, work it out, and then also we've got some problems later on when we're going to find the odd one out. Okay, let's have a go. So here's our big question with your learning partner. Here are some pictures and there's some calculations underneath. Which pictures match with which calculation? So remember these questions. How many groups are there? How many are in each group? And what will the multiplying number sentence be? So pause your screen and match them together. Okay, well done. So let's look at the first picture. We have got 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 groups there, 1, 2, 3, and in each group we have got 4. So that means we've got 3 groups of 4. So it's 3 times 4. So I'm going to match it to this one here. Right, let's look at our next one. We've got 1 group and we've got another group. So that means we've got 2 groups, and in each group we have got 5. So we've got 2 groups of 5, which we can write it as 2 times 5. Fantastic. Right. We've also over here got our final one. So again, we've got 3 groups, 1, 2, 3. And in each group again, we have got 4. So we have got 4. So we've got 3 groups of 4, which is 3 times 4. Okay, so that's how it works out. Well done. If you got those right, fantastic. Let's move on. So we've got a picture here, and we're looking at how many lights we've got all together. So that's what we want to find out. How many lights are on each of these street lights? So are on all the street lights all together. So we're going to work out the multiplication sentence for this picture with our total and see if you can do a part-whole diagram as well. Pause the screen and have a go. Right, first of all, we're going to look at how many groups. So we've got 1 group of lights there. 2 groups of lights, 3 groups of lights, 4 groups of lights, and 5 groups of lights. We know we've got 5 groups and they've already got it for us in there. But how many lights are in each group? 1, 2, 3. So we've got 5 groups of 3. So we're going to put 3 in there, 5 groups of 3. And how much is that in total altogether? So we can count in 3s. Let's go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So our answer is 15. We can put 15 in there. So now let's draw our part whole. How many parts are we going to have? Well, that's our number of groups. So we're going to have 5. So here's 1. Let's copy. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups, and in each of our groups we're going to have 3. 1, 3. Put 3. In each of them, 3, 3, 3, another 3, and a final 3. Okay, so we've got all of our 3s, 5 groups of 3, and then all together we're going to have our total number, which is going to be our whole number, and our whole number is going to be 15. So we're going to put 15 in here. Okay, and then all of our parts make our whole. So that's what your part whole should look like this afternoon, and that's what the number of this morning, and that's what your number sentence should be as well. Right, next problem. We have got to finish this picture so that it shows this problem. So our number sentence is 4 times 6 equals 24. So how many groups? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, but how many have got to be in each group? Can you draw this 4 times 6 as a picture and then draw the part whole? Pause me now. Okay, well done. So we've got our groups, we've got our 4 groups. So in each of our groups, we need to have 6 apples. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, so we need 4, 5, 6 to make it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we need another 6 there. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here as well. We've got 4 times 6 equals 24. So altogether, we've got 4 groups of 6 equals 24. So let's draw that as a part whole. How many parts are we going to have? Well, that's our number of groups. So we're going to have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each of our groups, we're going to have 6 because that's within each of our groups. Each of our parts is going to have 6 in it because that's how many. And then our total, our whole number is going to be our total, which is 24. Link these up like so to make our 24. 6, 24. That's what it should have looked like. Well done if you got it right. Right, our last question today. True or false, this image shows 5 times 3. So check it. How many groups? What does this image show? Is it right? Is it wrong? And then draw the part whole for what this picture does actually show. Off you go. Okay, well done. So let's first of all see how many groups we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 groups, and in each group we have got 3. So we've got 3 in each group. So we've got 4 lots of 3. So it's false. We haven't got 5 lots of 3. We've only got 4 lots of 3. And if we count in threes, how many? What's our total altogether? 3, 6, 9, 12. So our answer is going to be 12. Fantastic. So now let's have a go at drawing our part whole. So we've got 4 parts, because that's how many groups we've got. So we've got 4 groups, 4 parts. Let's go. 1, 2. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each part, we're going to have 3. Okay, and then our total altogether is our whole number, which is 12. Let me do a circle. Okay, we can put in here our whole number. So that's what the part whole should look like for your picture. So this is actually false. It isn't 5 times 3. Okay, well done. Fantastic. We did all of those questions together. Now, we've got some pictures here, and one of them doesn't belong. One of them isn't the same as the other 2. So you're going to write down, circle the image that is the odd one out, that doesn't belong, that isn't the same as the others. and then underneath you're going to tell me what the other two pictures show, and you've got to explain why. So there's the first question to do, so pause and have a go at those ones. And now when you're ready, here's the second ones to work out which ones of these pictures does not belong, which image isn't the same as all the others. This time we've got 4 and one of them doesn't belong. So which one is it going to be? Okay, and you can send your answers and your workings out to year2@thepalmeracademy.com. Have a lovely Thursday and I'll see you soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye for now.